Alright, so this is Coming. He is the owner of this truck right here. So we have just finished installing the rock sliders onto his truck. And so what we're doing is we are doing a maiden test on the strength and integrity of the rock sliders. So here we are imitating a flat tire in the front here. So the object of the game here is for him to lift the truck up using a high lift jack. This is a hydraulic jack, but you can do so with the high lift jack. It's going to be set at the outside rail here, and that's where the jack here is set to. He's going to pump this jack up until the tire here moves freely so that he can remove the tire. And at the same time, the strength of the rock slider here should hold the weight of the truck to the point where he can open the door here on this side. So let's say he takes his girlfriend off-roading with him. His girlfriend can come out of the door here and boss him around while he fixes his car. So that's what he's doing. Okay, come go for it. Yeah, do it in a controlled fashion. Okay. All right. So you can see his front tire is moving up. Oh, it's already off the ground. Holy smoke. Okay, now open your door. Okay, how many finger space do you have to get to the rail? Oh, that's plenty of finger space. That's 3, huh? Yep. How about the rear door? Yeah, that's plenty of finger space. Okay, so his girlfriend can come out and boss him while he does his stuff here when he goes off-roading. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.